Hey guys, as promised, we're going to work out together. So whatever you're doing, it doesn't even matter. You don't need any equipment because trust me, I don't need any equipment. I can challenge myself all by myself. At this point, there we have it. And so you're gonna work out with me and with Farah. And Leroy's right here, so he will probably jump in the picture at some point, although he looks like he's settled in for like a little nap. Okay, so whatever you're doing, you can do this with me because that's the level we're at, guys. So here we go. I don't even have any shoes on, so you have really no excuse. If you're somewhere, you know, wearing high heels or something, just kick them off. Let's go. Kick them off. Okay, I'm just going to I decided that today I just wanted to do a little activation of my lower body, my legs, my glutes, in a way to be like a little bit prepped for a run tomorrow. I'm just gonna go on a run tomorrow, so we're just gonna see how far it is and how that goes. But this is like, I just want to kind of activate inner outer thighs, glutes, that kind of thing. And so here we go. I'm just going to do like counts of something. We're not going to do by time or anything like that. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do squats, okay? And I'm going to do jump out squats, dynamic squats, I believe I used to call them back in the dinosaur ages. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna do a 10 count. So we're gonna jump out, sink down, and make sure that your knees are behind your toes and that your weight is sitting back like that and chest high, okay? Here we go. 1, feet together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see how I have the couch behind me, so in case I fall? 8, 9, 10. Okay, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. All right, I'm going to do side leg lifts, okay? So I'm gonna do 10 on one side and 10 on the other side, okay? And I'm gonna tip over, so it's gonna activate this leg, all right? And it's gonna squeeze the glute on this side. So we're gonna go 1, control it up, control it down. 2, 3. If you're doing this with me and you need to hang on to something, that's fine. 4, I can feel the burn in my glute literally already. 5, it's awesome. 6, it actually feels so good. 7, 8, I'm all done being a couch potato. 9, 10. Okay, see, we're not doing anything crazy advanced, but we're activation. Here we go, other side. This is my non-balanced side, so if I fall down, just ignore me, okay? All right, 1, 2, you can see that lower leg wobbling, right? 3, 4, 5. How about the production value of this versus what we used to do? 6, 7, 8, who needs it? 9, 10. Okay, now this, you're gonna need a stool or a something or other to put one leg on, and then if you need to brace yourself with something, do that. I can put it on my couch, or I can bring this stool out so you guys can see the profile. I'll do that. I'm gonna use this stool, okay? But it's the same height as my couch, so if you're gonna use your couch, use your couch. So I'm going to put one leg up and then kind of hop the other leg out. And then I'm gonna slowly sink down into this action right here. You want to try to get a 90 degree, okay? Don't bend forward like this, keep your chest up tall. Woo! Here we go. 1, already toast. Here we go. 2, am I gonna be able to do this on the other leg? It's already running through my mind. 3, 4, 5, burning. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I like how I was like, this is gonna prep me for tomorrow's run, and then I'm not gonna be able to walk. Just wait, just wait. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, oh yeah. 3, you guys, it feels so good to do these movements. 4, I mean, it hurts, but 5, but it feels good to be doing it. 6, 7, I'm gonna lift that tush. 8, 9, and 10. It wasn't pretty, but we did it. It wasn't pretty, but we did it. Okay, whew. What did we start with? Dynamic squats. Let's go again. Ready? Feet together, and then you're gonna jump out and sit back and down. And remember that when you sit down, keep your weight back. Don't go forward like this, okay? Here we go. And I can still give you guys, you know, fitness advice because my brain remembers, just my body doesn't. Okay, here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're gonna go tips on one side and then tips on the other side. Here we go. 1, and squeeze that glute at the top as you raise it. 2, you're challenging both legs and your core in this. 3, I went too fast. 4, find the balance at the top. 5, as I fall over. It's fine, whatever. 6, 7, 8, feel that pinch up here. 9, 10. Okay, other side, non-balancing side. Here we go. You guys do this. Worry about yourself. Don't look at me. Worry about yourself. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please note that I'm going all the way up to hip height. 8. I'm not just lifting out like this. My whole body's tipping. 9, 10. Okay, we're back to, I believe these are called Bulgarian split squats. I don't know. Okay, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I wish Leroy would come over here so I could like pet him on the squat. Give me some motivation. Here we go. 1. Ooh, I went a little lower this time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, the burn, the burn. Hey, if you guys watched me back in the day, I used to do those with 15-pound dumbbells in each hand, so I'm feeling pretty fantastic. Okay, here we go. Other leg. But we're going back in that direction, you guys, right? We're already on our way. We're 1 week in. 1, good gravy. 2, ooh, my glute wants to lock up. That is no joke. 3, okay, we're using the couch to balance now. 4, can't go down that far. 5, 6, 7, oh goodness, 8, 9, 10. Okay, based on, okay. Based on how that feels, I know that I'm not going to get another set of that specific exercise in, but what we're going to do now is the first exercise to failure, which I kind of hate that term, but we're going to do it. I'm going to do dynamic squats until my legs are like, stop doing this, please. Thank you. All right, here we go. Feet together. If you did nothing else in this workout, but you're like fully capable of just standing up and doing it, let's just do this with feet together. Because I'm thinking it's going to be like between 10 and 20. Okay, here we go. You got it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, oh my gosh, 3, woo, 4, 5, the muscles are screaming, 7, 8, 9, 10, all right, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I'm gonna get to 20, 16, 17, oh my gosh, 18, 19, 20. Oh, you guys, I almost just broke my tailbone because I sat down on the couch, but it was farther away than I thought. My butt just barely grabbed it. Ooh. See, there are times when having a big butt works. Oh. Okay, guys. Oh. So, we did it. It wasn't, an Ironman or something like that. But I can feel all the muscles in my lower legs and in my glutes and my hips. And I feel happy. I did get a little bit of sweat, even though it's a pretty short workout. I got a little bit of sweat, but most importantly, I did what I set out to do. And I know that this is going to sort of wake my muscles up for my run tomorrow. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Happy day 8.